to my channel. So today I have this really bold and fun look for you guys. I had asked you guys on Facebook whether you wanted to see a one palette look or you wanted to see a working with color video, and this is the one palette look. Both were kind of on the bolder side of you know, the spectrum of eye makeup, and I had pictures underneath both captions asking you guys what you wanted to see, and the one palette look won, and this is the palette we're going to be using today. This is the Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe. I absolutely love this palette. This is a very, very well loved palette. I mean, this was very much worth the investment, and I love this palette. So if you guys want to see how to get this colorful look, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start out in the crease of my eye like I typically do, and taking the shade Creamsicle, I'm going to apply this a lot higher than I typically do. I really love the shade with the yellowy orange hues to it, which works perfectly for this look. And I'm just going to blend that in the crease of my, oh my gosh, my eyebrows. I'm so sorry, you have to look at that. Wow, I didn't know they were that bad. Sorry. Okay, back to the look. I'm going to take the shade Hunts and applying this right where I actually would typically put crease colors. I can't stop staring at that. I'm going to blend this back and forth to really give like a nice gradient effect with all these shades that I'm going to be using. And then I'm going to go in with the main kind of depth shade in this, and this is the shade Jacz from this palette. So I'm applying this to the crease of my eye with my head tilted back so I can really get this right in the fold of my eye. And as you can see, with all the different shades of yellow and orange, you have a really nice gradient going on of color. Then I'm going to take a nice flesh tone color and apply that to my brow bone, and also use that to just blend out those crease lines. Any flesh tone you have will work. And then I'm going to take concealer and I'm going to cut the crease and also add some stickiness to my eyelids so the shadows stay in place a lot longer. But I'm paying extra close attention when it comes to the actual fold of my eye. I'm taking the shade Royalty and Twerk, and using that brush I'm just going to scrub it into both shades and blend them together and apply this to the inner and the outer corner of my eye, and leaving the center of my eyelid completely bare to the best of my ability. Then I'm going to take the shade Pool Party and I'm applying this to the center of my eyelids. I absolutely love this shade. It's such a pretty, like, pool color. I mean, this is, when I think of summertime and the pool parties, this is exactly the shade I was thinking of. So like, she did a good job naming these. I'm then going to take a brush and taking all three of those shades on, you know, either side and blending them together, and then I'm going to line my lash line with some black gel liner to get it ready for my false eyelashes. Then for my bottom lash line, I'm taking the shade Creamsicle and the shade Jacz and blending them together on my bottom lashes. And then I'm applying a thin layer of mascara to get them ready for false eyelashes. And the falsies I'm going to be wearing are the Ardell Naturals number 110 in the shade Black. Then for cheeks, I'm going to use this Glam Chick All About Blush palette and applying both of those shades to my chickies. And then for lips, I'm going in with this Maybelline lipstick in the shade 705 Blushing Bud. And I just wanted a nice kind of light nudie color for this look since the eyes are so bold. And then I wanted a little bit of gloss, so I'm using the Smashbox Lip Enhancing Lip Gloss in the shade Radiant. And that is the look. Oh, here you guys go. This is the final look. Here's a close-up of the eyes. I hope you guys have really enjoyed this. Don't forget, there's a full list of products I use down in the description box below this video. If you did enjoy this, please don't forget to click that like button and also click the subscribe button and become a member of my family. I love you guys very, very much. I'll see you next Tuesday, and don't forget, make good choices.